Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Viral Science Videos Debunked, and today we're gonna be looking at another amazing video. Now, you would have seen this video in the starting already, and it seems pretty weird, right? But before I start explaining, comment down below what you think is the reason why the coin suddenly started moving when the batteries was placed on the forks. So, let's debunk this science video. So, first of all, this is false. This cannot happen. This is physically impossible based on the laws of physics. So the guy bringing the batteries near the forks has nothing to do with why the coins actually jiggle, and this is because the batteries create electricity by virtue of voltage, but there is no way in which the batteries had a closed circuit. One side of the battery was still exposed. There was no closed circuit with the batteries, so there was no moving electric charges, hence there were no magnetic fields. So why did the coin suddenly start to jiggle? Well, the simple answer is the video is actually in reverse, and actually you could do that quite simply using any video software. So essentially what the guy did was that first he had the video where the batteries were against the forks, and then he started to spin the coin, and right when the coin started to slow down, he removed the batteries, and then he just played the video in reverse, and this is the video. So there's nothing sciencey about this video, just false news. Just kidding. So, fun fact about these coins, they're actually not magnetic. At least most of them aren't magnetic. Coins that are made out of nickel are magnetic, but most coins are actually made out of zinc, brass, and copper, or combination of these metals. So, even if the batteries were connected in the video, the coin wouldn't have moved, simply because it most likely wasn't made out of nickel, hence it wouldn't have been able to interact with the electric field and, start to jiggle. So yeah, fun fact for you. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching another video of Viral Science Videos Debunked, and this video was submitted by a Twitter user. So remember, you could share me your videos via my social media handles. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So once again, keep sciencing. This is everyday life science.